You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yes! Say, hey superstars, welcome back to the channel. Yay! Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I have a special guest and I have Jason off to the side that's kind of playing assistant. But today we are just keeping it very simple and we're just making some orange juice, you guys. Like, I normally try to record when she is taking a nap or when she's already gone to bed, but sometimes it doesn't work like that. And honestly, I'm a mom, so sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. So that's why I decided to make, y'all, she ready. She want a piece of orange. So we're gonna make some orange juice, y'all. And, hey, relax. You want some?
Yeah.
Okay. You want some?
Yeah.
What do you say? Do you say please? You say please? Please? Yeah. All right. Let's see if I keep her occupied with that. Okay, so per usual, obviously apples. So per usual, oranges are packed with tons of vitamin C. Look, I done went straight into like the nitty of the gritty. Y'all, so you want more?
Yeah.
Here, eat that first. You're gonna eat all our material. So if it's your first time to the channel, welcome. This is Angie and this is Life with Star. I think today's gonna be a good video because she is full of personality, y'all. I don't know how it's going to be, but it's gonna be fun. So I am just going to, actually I'll save that one for her. So I think I have a mix of navel oranges and Cara Cara oranges. And I know that I have Cara Cara oranges because these oranges have more of a pink flesh, which is from an ingredient called lycopene, which gives produce its red or pink flesh. I talked about that before on the channel. But if this video soothes your spirit and your soul, honey, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss a single upload coming your way, honey. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. So literally I have these oranges and I actually ended up with a lot more fruit than I had planned for at the end of this week. And then I bought more fruit. So we gotta get rid of it. And it's gonna take too long to try to eat all of it. So I said, you know what? Let's make some orange juice. I am not tripping at the fact that I have two different types of oranges right now. I think it's gonna be really, really yummy. The Cara Cara oranges are actually less acidic anyway than navel oranges, and they're naturally more sweet. So I think they're going to balance each other out really, really well. So yeah, we're gonna add a little bit of lemon to it as well. Just a little bit, y'all. Is it good? Is it good? Did you show them what you're eating? Did you show them? Did you show them, girl? I've actually never given her a Cara Cara orange before. I'm sure she would like it, but... Did you say hi, girl? You wave, say hi. You say hi? Say hi.
No.
All right, y'all. So you guys know that oranges are packed with vitamin C, which is going to be superb for your immune system, especially when you're trying to fight off any type of like viral infections. You need the vitamin C, especially too if you have like if your cholesterol is higher. I don't know what I was about to say, blood pressure. If your cholesterol is higher than normal, oh my God, y'all almost threw that in the trash, Jesus. Then you might want to get some vitamin C in your system because that could help actually regulate your cholesterol and lower it. So yes, you're making a mess, girl. But yes, so tons of vitamin C, great for your immune system, fighting off those viral infections. If you got a cold, sometimes we wait until we get sick to try to consume extra vitamin C. You want to do that ahead of time, y'all. Like, there's nothing wrong with getting some vitamin C in your system regularly. Another known fact for oranges is that they are going to be good for the health and protection of your skin. So I've read online that if you suffer from eczema, which unfortunately me and my clan do, You want another one? More? All done?
Mommy. More.
More?
Yeah.
Say please. Can you say please? Can you say please? Here you go. Say thank you. Can you say thank you? We're working on it. So yes, it's actually going to be really good for the health and protection of your skin. So I've read online that if you suffer from eczema, sorry, that's what we were talking about, that vitamin C consumption can actually help with that. So, you know, just a little tidbit for you, honey. Again, you guys, I am not a medically trained professional. I'm not a dietitian. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a nurse. I'm just somebody who enjoys juicing, and I enjoy trying to educate myself on how, let me give her a little bit of this. Taste that one. Taste it. Is it good? Mommy have one? Mmm. Mmm. I'm just somebody who enjoys juicing, y'all, and I enjoy trying to educate myself. There's so much information out there. Obviously, you do have to kind of like be wary of where you're getting your information from. That's why I always tell y'all, take what I say with a grain of salt. But I do try to read thoroughly on the information that I come across so that I'm not just putting out a bunch of fluff. All right, y'all. Assistant Jason, I got these glass containers from Publix, y'all. I hate when I go to Publix because every time I go in there, I'm always grabbing like random stuff that I technically don't really need. Girl, you tear these things up. But anywho, so we're gonna go ahead and get to juicing. And another couple like random facts. I've talked about oranges, y'all, a ton of times, so I don't really want to kind of beat a dead horse, but oranges can help with constipation. So if you're having issues with your bowel movements, then you may want to try to incorporate oranges back into your diet. Some of you guys just don't eat oranges at all. Like, I get it, like to sit and peel an orange, eat an orange, it's like, to your mind, it's like, oh, it's just too much work, you know, whatever. But try to consume them. And honestly, I prefer to, when I'm in the mood and I have the time, to make my own homemade orange juice because it's just better than the store-bought because it just has all the extra preservatives and stuff. That's how this stuff is able to sit on the shelves or in your refrigerator for like weeks at a time. Our juice is only going to be good for no more than 72 hours, and 72 hours is really pushing it. But I think between the three of us, the juice is going to go fairly quickly, so I'm not really worried about it. So 24 to 72 hours is the shelf life in the fridge. Airtight container. A mason jar would be more ideal because it's like super, super tight, but I have confidence in this that it's gonna be fine, and I don't think that this is gonna last even the 3 days, so whatever. And then I already touched on the cholesterol. So let's get to juicing, you guys. We are using our Nama J2 cold press juicer, and let's get to it. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Juicer, look at you made a mess. You make a mess, girl. Yeah. You make a mess. Ooh. Good? Yeah. All right, you guys. So there's about 25 ounces of juice that we have made. It smells really yummy. I probably should have used the phone, but I don't even think I have one. Oh my God, y'all, this is gonna be interesting. We're gonna be here till Jesus come back. Ooh. All right, I can leave it like this, you guys, at this level, but I think I might juice a little bit more. But here's our orange juice, you guys. Get excited, Pooh. Spit that out. It's done, girl. You finished. All done. I'll give you a little bit more. So happy juicing, you guys. If this video served your spirit and your soul and you enjoyed it, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode with probably my assistant. I don't know. But yeah, homemade orange juice, you guys. Get excited. Happy juicing, y'all. See y'all next time. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.